Most James Hardie siding projects in Colorado cost between $19 and $21 per square foot. This one came in right at $19.20. Here's exactly what that looked like. This is a home in Louisville, Colorado, where we replaced the original 1990 Cedar lap siding that was rotting, chipping, and failing. We installed heathered moss James Hardie lap siding with board-and-batten accents and cobblestone trim, all with a ColorPlus finish. The home is about 1,645 square feet with roughly 2,300 square feet of siding area. The total installed cost was $44,148. That's $19.20 per square foot installed. That includes tear-off, house wrap, flashing, trim, permit, and full installation. If you're researching James Hardie siding cost in Colorado, this is what a real project actually looks like.